Hey, welcome to Credit Makes Sense with Netiva, the Frugal CrediTnista. Super excited to be with you guys today. We are busting some credit myths this week. I've gotten so many emails from some of you who are asking me, is this true? Is that true? I heard this. What is going on? So let's make sense of some things. Again, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Netiva, the Frugal CrediTnista. I own M&H Financial Services .com, which is a financial education services firm. We help women and couples over 30 to create custom credit solutions so they can crush their financial goals. I also own the bomb.com members club, Credit on Fire, where we teach you how to master your money, destroy your debt, and soar your credit scores so you can begin leveraging it to create wealth. Left the link below in addition to our dollar trial so you can rock out with us and begin the step-by-step. I literally lay it out step-by-step process for you to get your finances on point. Credit, budgeting, debt elimination, home ownership, rebuilding after bankruptcy, purchasing your first investment property, so much more. I also run the phenomenal, epic, free community on Facebook, Credit Makes Sense, where we make sense of some things just like this. They're the reason why we have the Credit Makes Sense segment. They ask a ton of questions, are really actively working on their own to be able to crush their financial goals by absorbing as much legit, accurate, and dope financial information as possible with me. So let's rock to it. The very first question, I probably got about 10 of you guys who asked me this, and that's on utilization on your credit report and how it relates to how you pay your credit card bills or any other bills. So for those of you who are not familiar with how FICO scores are credit, utilization is like one of the major pieces. The very first thing is payment history, which makes up 35% of our scores. Next here is our amount owed category, which makes up 30% of our scores. In that amount owed category, that 30%, how much of our available credit limit that we use, aka our credit card balances, makes up a huge chunk of that. So if we have a $10,000 credit card and we have a $8,000 balance, that means that you have an 80% debt to credit utilization, which is not good. So there is, and I'll actually read it for you guys verbatim, as I always do, an article going around and a few more different like memes and things of that sort that basically says that if you have a credit card bill that you pay once a month, stop. Switch to paying it weekly or bi-weekly. So let's say you have a $20,000 credit line, but you have $15,000 balance on it. That means that you're using up 75% of your available credit limit. That part's correct. Instead of paying $1,000 a month, why not break up that payment into $250 per week? The more you pay before you receive your next bill, the more you are shrinking that 75%, which means your credit scores will go up. So basically what they're saying, instead of paying once a month and having it report the following month, your payment, pay once a week, and then it'll update on your credit report each week with each payment, thereby reducing your overall utilization quicker. Is that true? Absolutely not. If you look at your credit report, one of the things you're going to see is that all of your creditors report how many times per month? Once. So you can pay as 2 times a week. Doesn't even matter. They're still going to report collectively how much you paid before they report, before the date that they report to the credit bureau. So before the reporting date. You may save up on some interest, but ultimately at the end of the day, that's not going to do anything for your credit report because the bureaus only report actually the creditors only report to the bureaus once a month. So that $250 per week, $125 twice a week, $250 every 2 weeks, $500 every 2 weeks. That is only going to still count as a $1,000 monthly payment. So nothing is happening utilization-wise on your credit report. Now, if it happens to match or be a good thing for your budget, you get paid bi-weekly, you get paid weekly, and you want to put a little something on it, go for it. But that's a budgeting decision, a money management decision. That is not a credit score increasing tool, tactic, hack, trick, secret, loophole. Forget all of it. That's not how it works. So that is the first thing. We're going to make sense of some things this week. The next one, we're actually going to post one every single day this week because I'm getting so many questions every single day this week. So the next one we're going to talk about tomorrow is going to be on a popular collections one. And we're going to make sense of some things there. Left a ton of links down there below for you to join my free community, Credit Makes Sense. If you decide you want to rock out with us inside of our members club Credit on Fire, which you should, okay? I'm gonna tell you right now, if you should. If your credit is not on point, if you're carrying around a massive amount of debt, if you are looking to better manage your money, if you are looking to purchase your first home, if you were building after bankruptcy, that's all. You should be rocking out with us. It's only $19.97 a month after your dollar trial. That's peanuts. And I've created it for you to begin crushing your financial goal. Also left you a link in case you want to chat with us one-on-one to a member of my prosperity team to begin, again, crushing some things in a more intimate one-on-one coaching-like basis. Chat with you guys tomorrow as we discuss one of the myths on collections and disputing it and all of that good stuff. See you tomorrow.